Take command of the road in the 2020 Ram 1500. This 4-door, 5-passenger truck is waiting for you to take home. It features 4-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a tachometer, automatic dimming door mirrors, adjustable pedals, a bedliner, and one-touch window functionality. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.